In our last episode, we saw how Brian walked through storms, losses, doubts, and market crashes. Yet through every struggle, his conviction only grew stronger. And with conviction came clarity, then payoff, and confirmation that his thesis and strategy had worked. What began as a way to recover losses transformed into something far greater than managing a portfolio. Brian's view of gold was a mission to seek truth, protect wealth, and build a legacy. To Brian, gold is not just a bar that stores wealth, it is an eternal time capsule that shows its enduring legacy. Thousands of years saw mankind's intimate relationship with gold coming to fruition. It has brought out all forms of human nature, from passion to generosity to greed and brutality. Empires have risen and fallen on its foundation. Families handed down generations to pass on their wealth and power. Kings hoarded it, soldiers fought for it, and ordinary people stashed what precious little they had in it. There was silent agreement among society. Everyone trusted gold and took refuge in it when everything else failed. Unlike every other asset, gold carries no debt, no promises, no signatures. Companies can collapse. Currencies can lose purchasing power while property can crumble. All these are temporary and can disappear or be completely worthless upon a law, broken promises, or strife. And yet gold remains untouched by the whims of humanity. Gold was, and is, and will be pure value. Want to start your journey to protect your purchasing power and building family wealth to pass down to future generations? You've come to the right place. Gold is not a lottery ticket, it's peace of mind. There's no need to rush into it. Play the long game rather than let the daily prices distract you. Start with the foundation, physical gold. Coins, bars, bullion, tangible wealth that you can hold. These are your wealth reserves and refuge in a financial crisis. Once you have built a base, you are ready to venture into taking some risk with precious metal assets. These include mining stocks that can offer opportunity for growth in return for bearing risk. There are many types of mining stocks, from large world-class producers worth billions of dollars to tiny explorers comprising prospectors scoping out the wilderness to find traces of gold. Many lucrative opportunities exist in this space, yet there are also many that can burn your wallet because they won't deliver. So proceed with care, always with patience, because prospecting and mining gold and other precious metals is speculative and fraught with substantial risks.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am at the Martin Place ABC Bullion flagship store, and let me show you how big the queue is. They actually have queues running up and also down towards the store.
Markets will swing, prices will fluctuate, but those who seek a deeper understanding of this market have the discipline to stick to their plan, thicken decades instead of days, and will find such investments deliver potentially handsome rewards rivaled by few other assets. For Brian, the meaning of gold has transformed over time. In 2013, it was an investment that he didn't fully understand. Today, it's his life's mission. For him, gold is freedom that protects families from the silent theft of inflation and the recklessness of endless debt. It's a safeguard against a financial system built on illusions. But even more than that, gold is knowledge. It is knowledge that, when shared, becomes a light and a guide to others away from debt traps, towards independence, and towards a future that can be more certain. Over the years, he developed his investment thesis, set up his own business, the Australian Gold Fund, and Gold Hub Australia, wrote newsletters via Fat Tail Investment Research to guide his readers, and even published a book detailing his insights and experience. He isn't using gold as a means to enrich just himself. He's passing on wisdom so that others can build, protect, and preserve. Brian's story is proof. that true wealth is not measured by quick gains, but in a journey to develop wisdom, in protection, and the relationships built over a common understanding that gold is money and a safe haven in today's crumbling financial system. From curiosity to conviction, from loss to tragedy, his journey with gold is not just his own, but a reminder for everyone that some truths never change. If Brian's story has inspired you, take the next step. Learn about the history of the Australian Gold Fund, subscribe to our channel, join the Gold Hub community, read Brian's publications and sign up for his newsletters. You can build your precious metals portfolio with our guidance and begin your own journey of truth, protection, and legacy with gold. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please feel free to subscribe, to like, and leave any questions and comments that you may have. You may also visit the Gold Hub Australia website, where you can keep updated on what's happening in the precious metals market. If you'd like to know more about our history, investment philosophy and performance, please visit the Australian Gold Fund website. The Fat Tail Investment Research website is where you can sign up for Brian's Precious Metals Advisory newsletters, and the links for these sites are in the description below. Thank you once again, and God bless.